Hello, welcome back. This is the second video on setting up the remainder of your brand kit in Canva. So today when we're in Canva, we're going to be working out of brand, which is over on our left-hand side navigation and clicking brand. So everything we're going to cover today are all features of Canva Pro. So if you do not have Canva Pro, I will include my partnership link so you can test it out for free for the next 30 days. So featured in this video is going to be the linen and latitude collection. And the first thing I recommend doing post-purchase is adding them to your brand kit in this brand templates. So to do this, we want to bring in your new templates into Canva. So if we open up our purchase PDF, we want to click on all of the links and go through each one individually. Click to use for template. Click the share button up the top, then see all. And then up the top, we want to click brand template and publish and close. So this is going to save this template into our brand templates for us to access later. And let's just close that one. So here we are in our brand template. So this is a collection, it's a range of pre-made templates designed to give you a shortcut for cohesive business essentials like business cards, lead magnets, marketing flyers, and so much more. So let's move on to our brand kit. So if we click on this one, we're going to click to add a new brand kit and we'll give it a new name. So we'll call it Emily Example. Create. Okay, so starting up the top with logo. So the logo can be any image file. So that's PNG, JPG, SVG. In this space, we are uploading all of the different versions of the logos that you may have, so transparent backgrounds, color variations, etc. I highly recommend getting your logo in an SVG file. If you have created a logo in Canva, I have also recorded a separate tutorial on how to do this, and it will be coming out shortly. So colors we have covered in a previous tutorial, and I do have just some quick hex codes that I can copy and paste in here just for completeness sake. But I will pop the link to the color tutorial as well in case you missed it. So there's our colors. So if we keep going down, fonts. So there's a lot that you can put in here if you want to, but I recommend adding between 1 and 3 different fonts. You may fill them all in if you want to, but you don't have to. The fonts that we are going to be using are ones that I already have in Canva. So these are the ones that are already in the linen and latitude collection. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those couple in, and then the body as well. There we go. Now you can also change the size that these do come in when you pop them into your design as well, but I'm just going to leave them as default. So photos, brand voice. So brand voice is connected to the Magic Write, which is Canva's AI. If you do use this is the spot where you can go in and you can add some customization and some personalization around the writing voice that the AI will generate. So go ahead and play around with that one if you use that feature. Photos, so this can be photos of yourself, your travel niche, destination specific. So just think of images that you are likely to use again and again, and this is a really good place to put those. And then graphics and icons, so this is a pre-purchased one, so if you have any from Creative Market or any platform like that, you can go ahead and upload those into there. So in relation to your brand kit being set up, let's jump in and create a design so we can see the brand kit in action. So we're just going to create a blank Instagram post. Okay. And then we're going to come to our navigation on the side and click brand. Now, for the first time, we want to actually nominate our brand kit. So here we are, Emily Example, select our brand kit. And now you can see it's picked up the logo, the colors, the fonts, and then any other thing that you may wish to put in there as well. So what you can do from here is you can go ahead and you can start jumping in and designing anything that you wish. So any elements that you put in, like a rectangle, you can go ahead and find your colors in here. And then same with text. If we wanted to add in any of our text, we have everything is already on brand, ready to go. And then same with our logo. If we wanted to pop that in, we can go ahead and just play around. But that is essentially having all of your brand kit all in one place. It's easy to access in all of your designs, and it will follow you around in Canva and make the design process a whole lot easier. So that is it for this tutorial. If you want more Canva for your travel business, you can subscribe to my channel, or you can join the Facebook community, Canva Made Easy for Travel Agents. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.